In this tutorial, we will explore the differences between Cursor and GitHub Copilot, both widely used tools designed to improve a developer's coding process. Cursor focuses on providing real-time code suggestions and debugging assistance, much like having an experienced colleague by your side. Cursor is an AI-driven coding companion that offers real-time suggestions of code snippets while you write, significantly enhancing your efficiency and minimizing mistakes. For instance, as you begin typing a function call, Cursor might automatically suggest the correct syntax or relevant parameters, saving time and ensuring accuracy in your code. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant that integrates directly into your integrated development environment, IDE, to offer real-time code suggestions. By analyzing vast amounts of open-source code, it learns patterns and best practices, providing relevant completions as you type. Both tools cater to developers using various programming languages, though Copilot currently offers support for a wider range. For instance, while both might handle basic Python and JavaScript tasks, Copilot can also assist with more niche languages like Rust or Go. This broader language support means developers have more flexibility when choosing the right tool for their project needs. Cursor offers its services for free to both open-source projects and individual users, whereas GitHub Copilot requires users to purchase a subscription. For instance, if you're working on an open-source software or developing a personal project, Cursor can be used without any cost. The Cursor highlights code suggestions, but GitHub Copilot provides a more seamless coding environment by offering real-time feedback and error detection throughout the development process. For instance, while typing, Copilot not only suggests relevant code snippets but also instantly points out potential errors or areas for improvement, enhancing overall efficiency. In conclusion, both tools excel in different ways. Opt for Cursor if you need straightforward code suggestions, while GitHub Copilot offers a more immersive coding environment with instant feedback that enhances your overall development process. In this tutorial, we've contrasted Cursor and GitHub Copilot, highlighting their unique features. To determine which tool is the best fit for your coding workflow, try using both. For instance, start a new project with Cursor for its visual navigation tools, then switch to GitHub Copilot for real-time coding suggestions.